Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to set up the model for energy simulation. So before running a simulation, we can check the energy simulation parameters, and you can set the noise, the terrain type, run period, time steps. So for actually baseline model, we oversize 15% for cooling and 25% for heating. But for proposed building, we can do 1 and 1 and OK. Now let's click Run Simulation button here and load the recipe. So let's use the annual energy use and click OK. So it loads all required inputs. So for this recipe, we need to assign a DDY file. So here I found the DDY file from my local drive. Okay, and EBW file for login. And the model will be linked to your current model, and click pollinate. It will send a package everything and send the model to the cloud. And once it says created, we can close it. Because this simulation might take a few minutes. Here I have one simulation has completed previously. So we can load that one as an example. Let's say HTML, which is a raw energy price report. Let's load. So it automatically opens up the browser and loads the HTML file. Or if you want to check the EUI only, let's load the EUI. So this is the EUI result as a breakdown, end use breakdown. So the unit here is a kilowatt hour per square meter.